I'm a long time photo buff. I want to go over a little utility terminal program called exif2. What this little utility does is it can convert a photo file, all the digital photo files from digital cameras and cellular phones generally come in with the .jpg extension. And then it will have something like this. This is my Pixel 8a cellular phone photo. So it will have some sort of a file name ending with JPG, but you really like to convert these uh, to much more practical renaming. This is what EXIV2 can do. So I took these two photos actually, and I've also used a what's called a Snapseed program in my cellular phone to edit the photos in the cellular phone. So I've just copied these four files from my phone to here in a downloads folder, and just to illustrate how this program exiv2 works. So obviously, if you most of the puppylinux will come with the exiv2 already installed. So that's just to check it. If you can just go ahead and open up a terminal and just simply type in exiv2, and it'll let you know whether you need to install it through a package manager, or more recently on other puppylinux you just use the apt command. But the key terminal command, what you want to do is follow this. Is that you want to use the find command to be able to pick out just the JPG extension file. So let's assume that you have other files here. So you won't touch the other files, but you'll only convert the JPG files to much more readable fashion. So what this is in essence does is find within the folder on just the files, and the -i name specifies it can be something like capital.jpeg, or it'll even convert the .jpg or lowercase jpg, and then rename it and converts it to small .jpg files. And then after that's done, it uses the utility exiv2 to force to rename to a year, month, a day, and hours, and seconds even, and rename it to whatever the name of the file, these dates.jp, and then it so it actually just ends up all being lowercase jpg. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and simply copy this, and then right click and copy, and then we're going to go here, and then we can open up a terminal command within this folder. So here is the terminal here and downloads folder. Now we're going to copy it with the middle mouse click, and then let's see what happens to these files. So now you can see these files have been quickly converted into all lowercase JPG, and it's much simpler to identify to 25, the year, and so on. So that's basically what you need to be able to further view and manipulate the files. So I just wanted to give you that exiv2 and how to use demonstration to be able to. So let me just go ahead and click, and here is the original file, and then here is the file that I modified within the phone this morning, And here's the photo that was initially taken that was subsequently modified. And then here is the modified file from the first picture here.